Hello everybody, this is Jack Leeson with MajorLeagueTrading.com coming at you with your weekly technical trade plan. It is Sunday, February 11th here, and I'm going to go over, first off, talk about some of the major news events over the week, and then I'm going to move into the S&P 500 and talk about potential support and resistance levels we have coming up. Monday, no Red Star news events. On Tuesday at 3:30 a.m., you have the Great Britain Pound CPI. Wednesday at 7:30 a.m., you have CPI, core retail sales, and retail sales for the US dollar. At 9:30, you have crude oil inventories, and then at 6:30 p.m., employment change and unemployment rate for the Australian dollar. On Thursday, we have PPI for the US dollar, and then on at 4:30, we have RBA Governor Lowe speaking for the Australian dollar. Friday at 3:30 a.m., retail sales out of the Great Britain Pound, and then building permits at 7:30 a.m. This CPI number here this morning, or I should say on Wednesday morning, I think will be one of the bigger events or news events for the week. So that'll be something I am going to be paying attention to. CPI can be a potentially really large number. Of course, oil had its worst week, and I think it was 2 years at least last week. So watch the crude oil inventory movement on 9:30 on Wednesday. It could be a big mover. Let's take a look at the S&P 500, and I want to talk about two potential levels that I'm looking at this week. One potential resistance and one potential support. So obviously, incredible week to trade nadex. Especially because the futures were moving, so futures in nadex indexes track the futures movement, but the moves were so big. You see some of these candles, and this is an hourly chart, are 50, 60 points. Here's a 95 point range, and we had a 91 point range, and that's in an hour. This is more than 200% of our weekly ATR of last year. So we were moving in an hour more than we were moving in a week last week. So pretty amazing stuff. The first level of support and the last level of support on this move down here, which traded on the 5th of February, where this green candle had come in from, that once we lost that, we haven't retested those levels. We came very close, but if we do get back up to that level here, and that is going to be 27.29 to call it 27.34, I'm going to set an alert up there for potential resistance level to look for next week. And then also, I want to pay attention to these potential supports. And it was really the first time we caught a bid on this way down. So on the way down, the first time we got a reversal was right down here at 25.98. all the way down to, call it, 25.88. So roughly just a 10 point range. We only closed one day, and that was right into the close here, this candle. But other than that, we did sell off below those levels on Friday, got back above. I want to see what the market does when we retest the level. So it's right near 2,600, nice round number for potential support. And that is a level of support I'm paying attention to. If we do break below this week's low, or I should say last week's low, the next level of support I would have is potentially 25.06. So I'm watching 25.06, 25.98 to 88, and then as resistance all the way back at the top of the range, 27.28 area to 27.34. And that's going to conclude this week's premium video. For anybody interested, I'm going to Mexico on Friday, so check out my Instagram, Major League Trading. We're going to be posting some awesome stuff for that. If you guys have any content you'd like me to review, feel free to leave a comment below in the video. Check out our YouTube channel, Major League Trading. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you appreciate the content, guys. It really helps boost my channel's rankings and allows other people to see it. Makes it worth my time to do this. But thank you guys for watching this video here this week, and I will see you in next week's technical trade plan. Take care and trade safe.